Class struggle, the engine of historical change. Class struggle lies at the heart of Marxist theory, offering a lens through which history and society can be understood. Karl Marx argued that human history is fundamentally shaped by conflicts between different social classes, each defined by their relationship to the means of production, the tools, factories, and resources necessary to produce goods and services. This struggle is not incidental but intrinsic to the way societies are organized, particularly under capitalism. In capitalist societies, the primary conflict exists between two key classes, the proletariat and the bourgeoisie. The proletariat, or working class, comprises individuals who do not own the means of production and must sell their labor power to survive. In contrast, the bourgeoisie, or capitalist class, owns and controls the means of production, deriving their wealth from the labor of the proletariat. This relationship is inherently exploitative, as the bourgeoisie profits by appropriating the surplus value generated by workers, paying them less than the full value of their labor. This imbalance in power and wealth creates a fundamental antagonism. Workers, alienated from the products of their labor and the process of production itself, are compelled to resist their exploitation, while the bourgeoisie seeks to preserve its dominance. Struggles over wages, working conditions, and the structure of society itself are manifestations of this deeper conflict. Marx contended that class struggle is not static. It is the driving force behind social change. Historical epochs, from feudalism to capitalism, have ended not because of gradual evolution, but because of the contradictions within their class system. In capitalism, Marx believed these contradictions would eventually lead to its downfall. As the proletariat grows in size and consciousness, the potential for revolutionary change increases, setting the stage for a transition to socialism, a society where the means of production are collectively owned and class divisions are abolished. This analysis of class struggle remains a powerful framework for understanding social inequality and conflict. From labor movements to political revolutions, the dynamics Marx described continue to shape the world. While the specifics of class relations have evolved, the tension between those who own and those who work persists, underscoring the relevance of class struggle as a tool for analyzing both history and contemporary society.